That's not what I expected. There's 3 perch and 2 big blue crab catching stuff that I didn't intend to catch. I'm gonna leave them in there. I'm not sticking my finger in there. Well, hello friends, my name is Antonio and welcome to Back at the Ranch. So, funny story, so if you saw the last video that we did where we had the fish trap in here, we actually had 2 blue crab in there, and I decided to go get a crab trap and let's see. Crab basket, so it's empty, we got some chicken on there, but man, just want to pick that up for $3. Threw a piece of chicken on it, and we have actually got a total of 4 crab now. So let me show you, getting away from the radio there for copyright reasons. But yeah, check it out. So we've got 4 blue crab here on ice, chilling down so they don't move around, and we're about to make some crab for a snack. So let's show you how we do that. Alright, so my brother's going to do this, and I apologize for background noise. It's the 4th of July, everybody's having fun, so nice and simple, just throwing some steamed water on the pan right there. Ice. Drop them on there, because careful, because they might jump out. They might jump out. They're ice, so they don't move very much. Alright. So steamed it up, then we'll throw a little bit of seasoning on there once they're about done, and good little snack. So let's give that a few minutes to steam up. Seasoning time. So the seasoning obviously does not get on the meat, it gets on the shell, which gets on your finger, and you get to lick your fingers. So let it sit a little while longer. That's been about 4 or 5 minutes so far. Alright, 375, 15 minutes, and this is the result. Ooh, looking good. And my brother's a truck driver, and he pulled this out and said, well, we use it for the tires, but I think we can use it for the crab too. So that's what we'll be using to crack the crab open, because he doesn't have little pliers to do it. But alright, you want to pop it open? It's probably too hot. Let's let it cool off a little bit.
I said it would be my fault. I said because I allowed you to push it. I don't know what doctor would tell you that it
oh yeah, it's hot.
Come to the gym and
Ooh, nice and hot.
She had a big smile on her face. Like a DD.
That looks good. That looks good.
Like it was.
Alright, we're gonna dig in, but we're gonna let it cool off a little bit. Alright, it's cooled off a little bit, and we're gonna crack it, crack it, crack it, crack it, crack it, crack it. Where's the meat? Let's see the meat. Oh my goodness, I think the first bite is he cooked it. Yep. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna dig in. That's how you do it. Alright, it's my turn. Look at that. It looks delicious. That's good. I wish we had like 10 more, but that's all we got. But that's how you do it. We'll see you next time back at the ranch. Thanks for hanging out.